Hello, guys. Today is the 13th of February 2021, Saturday, as you can see over here. Today we'll go a bit and analyze the Google Sheet that we have up to now. It seems that we've been using it for this experiment. At the beginning, we started with value betting picks, but then we decided to pick winners, and it seems that we're in here 55 days with a flat stake of 2 units. So if you started with a bankroll of 100 euros, your flat stake will be 2 euros. If you started with 10,000 euros, it will be 200. So it's like 2% of your initial bankroll. So with flat stake, and I'm saying again, this is not the way I prefer to bet, but this is what most bettors do. So this is the experiment, and we put here all the picks and the predictions that our AI software gives without any more search into actual games, injuries, or whatever. We just read the numbers and put the games here and just play. So we, for the last 55 days, if you started with a bankroll of 100 units, we have 162. So 62% raise to 62% profit. In 55 days, that means we have 1.13 units profit per day. And generally the software gives us around 16.91 or 1617 bets per day. We have 930 bets up to now, 509 wins and 421 losses, and today we have 26 active matches. We have a hit rate of 54% with a yield of 3.25. The average odds are 2.02. And the average odds probability is 49, and we have a hit rate of 54. So we have a value, we find value in every pick, 5.25, which is a really, really good percentage. So the matches are mostly from football, and it means that we only have 5.3 units profit, and basketball, because we started using basketball picks and hockey picks a little bit later, not from the first days. But it seems that around 1/3 or like a half of the bets of what we have in football, we have 54 units profit. That tells us that we can stop playing football and only following basketball. But as long as we have profit and we find the value, we continue. This is how it goes. Then, because I split the bets, because I find those from Bet365 or Betway, Bet365 doesn't support NCAA, and that's why I find those from Betway. So if you've been following this Google Sheet, you would be in 55 days 62% up right now. Very, very good experiment. I'm not using this method. As I said, I use progression betting. I use doubles and follow the procedure that you can follow in the other videos. That gives me around 20. It gives me around 100% raise in my bankroll in around 25-30 days. If we go down here, you will see that we have some active bets for today. You can go in and follow. In here, I have them in a time schedule. So it starts at 1 o'clock, then it's 2, 3, 4. This is first I have the football matches over here, and then I start again with the hockey matches. So this is the second league of hockey in Russia, VHL, and then I have also 2 matches NHL from United States. But you know that those matches are at 9 o'clock. Even those are 8 or 10:30. I will run the software again. I will update this. So it's better to look and read it. Only if it's, let's say right now it's 10 o'clock. Yes, okay, it's actual for we can say until 4 o'clock. Don't follow the peak. So always go in here and check if something has changed, and then you can decide if you can bet or not. So let's see today's picks. So this is my interface. This is how I analyze my picks after the AI software runs. Everything comes to an Excel file with queries, and in here I filter them out as I explain in every video. So we start with football, and we can say today it's 13th, Saturday, and then you see that I have a sample, 7,913 matches. From those I picked up to now home matches to win 743 and away matches to win 395, and I had 71% in home wins and 69% in away wins. So those are the numbers that I'm looking, over 65% for my system to work. So if we see the matches, we see that at 1 o'clock we start with the German Bundesliga 2, Heidenheim against Aue. It tells us Heidenheim will win 68%. And you can see over here that Heidenheim, it's a much better team than Aue over here. Anyway, then we continue at 2 o'clock with the Italian Serie B, Pordenone against Cittadella. This is a draw. It's not what I actually give, but I found out that the draws that the software gives me are very valuable. So I have success like 50%, and the draws are like 3 or even more. So they have a lot of value. So I decided to also use draws into the Google Sheet again and to my own betting style. Then we have from the Spanish La Liga at 2 o'clock, Granada again, Atletico Madrid. Atletico Madrid to win 69%. And then we have from 3 o'clock from the French League 2, Auxerre against Gincab. So it's Auxerre to win. Then we have from the Polish Ekstraklasa, Cracovia against Podbe Skidje, home team to win. Then you see over here at 4 o'clock from the English Championship, Huddersfield against Wycombe, Huddersfield to win. Then Norwich against Stoke, Norwich to win. Watford against Bristol City, Watford to win. Hull against Milton Keynes Dons, Hull to win. Shrewsbury from the English League One, those matches. Shrewsbury against Ipswich, this is also a draw at 3.06, 54%. Okay, and let's see why the software gives us this match is a draw. If we go here, we see that we have a team. So this is the line. We see that we have a team that doesn't have many wins, and even the home margin is not very good for them. But at the last 6 matches and the last 4 matches, it's been playing well, been winning. Let's see over here. This is also an average team. Anyway, there is no stronger team. Seems that both teams are the same, and they don't score that much. So probably that's why the software tells us 54%. Anyway, you can neglect this draw or you can use it. It depends on the way you're betting. I'm going to use it. So then we have Cambridge against Southend. It tells us 84% for Cambridge to win. Then Carlisle against Crawley, Carlisle to win. Forest Green against Barrow, Forest Green to win. Morecambe against Scunthorpe, Morecambe to win as well here. Then we have same time from Scottish Premiership, Aberdeen against St Mirren, home team to win. Then Ross County against Hibernian to win over here. At 4:15 from the Greek Super League, we have Asteras Tripolis against Lamia, and it tells me Asteras Tripolis to win 78%. Then from the Turkish Super League, Karagümrük against Fenerbahce to win 67%. At 5:30 from the Polish Ekstraklasa, Pogoń Szczecin against Piast Gliwice, the home team to win. Then 6:30 from Bundesliga 1, Union Berlin against Schalke, so it's the home team to win. At 8 o'clock from the Polish Ekstraklasa, Raków against Legia Gdańsk, so the home team to win. And finally at 10:30 we have from the Chile Primera División, Unión La Calera against Curicó Unido, so it's Unión La Calera to win over here. Good luck with football matches, so let's go to basketball matches as well. Before we do that, let's see all the matches that we have for today in football. So those are the matches that we don't bet, and those are the matches that the software picked. Those are the matches that the software picked that they have the correct percentage that I'm looking for and the correct odd. Okay, so those are all the matches. If you want to pause the video and check what are the percentages and what are the matches, you can do it. That's why I'm just scrolling down. You can pause the video and check the percentages. Anyway, let's continue with basketball. In here, I already played at night, and we have it in our Google Sheet. Here, Atlanta Hawks against San Antonio Spurs. We picked San Antonio Spurs to win, and we won. And it was an underdog, as you can see over here. Then Charlotte Hornets against Minnesota Timberwolves. I picked the home team to win, 92%, and they won by 114. Then Dallas Mavericks against New Orleans Pelicans. The software gave us the home team to win, and yes, Dallas Mavericks won 143 to 130. Then this was I didn't play that because I didn't believe what the software tells us. Utah Jazz is going to win against Milwaukee Bucks, and they actually did, 129 to 115 over here. Then today, but I'm going to run the software again, so don't pay too much attention to that. From NCAA, we have Xavier against UConn, the home team to win over here, 85%. Then Towson against Northeastern, it tells us the away team to win. James Madison at 8 o'clock against Hofstra, it tells us James Madison to win, 70%. Loyola Maryland against Lafayette over here to win. Arkansas State against UALR, home team to win, here Arkansas State. Cleveland State against Detroit, here Cleveland to win. UC Riverside also to win against Irvine. And then the final match is Louisiana Monroe against Louisiana Lafayette, away team to win. And if you go like that and see all the matches, just scroll down so you can see, pause the video and see if you want to pick anything else. Too many matches today. NCAA, as you can see over here. Good luck with that as well. And then finally we have hockey. So hockey, I played 2 matches yesterday. You can see here Arizona Coyote to lose against St. Louis Blues. So it actually happened, 1-4. And then New York Rangers against Boston Bruins, the away team to win, 0-1. It actually happened as well. Hockey has been very, very good. It's been fantastic for me. So for today we have from the second league in Russia, CSKA VVS against Tampov to win. Lada against, those matches are at 2 o'clock Swedish time. Lada against Voronezh, Lada to win, 74%. And then later on at night at 9 o'clock we have NHL. It's Winnipeg Jets against Ottawa Senators, but Winnipeg to win, And then San Jose Sharks against Vegas Golden Knights tells us Vegas Golden Knights to win. And if I click the filter out, we have some more matches that you can see the percentage here. So that's it for today. Good luck. I hope you've been following this Google Sheet, and I hope you start following every video from the beginning. Try to understand the way I'm betting with the progression thing, with the FS's tabs that are like gold to me, and try to imply this technique to your betting style. And in the future, I'm gonna share Excel files that will help you progress with that. And I'm going also to analyze how I built those Excel files for everybody to see that it's very easy to start winning money. So good luck and have a nice weekend. See you tomorrow.